Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest technological advancements in the automotive industry. In today's video, we will be discussing the potential for robots to enhance the customization and personalization of cars. As consumers demand more personalized vehicles, car manufacturers are seeking new ways to deliver customized options while maintaining efficiency and quality. Robots are proving to be a valuable tool in achieving this goal, providing car manufacturers with the ability to offer a greater range of customization options and improving the overall production process. One of the key benefits of using robots in car customization is their ability to work with greater precision and accuracy than human workers. This allows car manufacturers to offer a wider range of customization options, such as unique paint jobs, custom trims, and personalized interiors. By using robots, manufacturers can ensure that each customization option is executed with the same level of precision and consistency. Moreover, robots can assist in automating the process of customization, reducing the time and cost associated with manual labor. With the help of robotics, car manufacturers can streamline the customization process, resulting in faster turnaround times and improved efficiency. In addition, robots can be programmed to recognize and respond to individual customer preferences. For instance, robots can be trained to identify a customer's preferred seating position and adjust the vehicle accordingly, providing a more personalized experience. Another way in which robots are enhancing car customization is through the use of 3D printing technology. Car manufacturers can use 3D printers to create custom parts and components quickly and efficiently, allowing for greater design flexibility and more personalized options. Furthermore, robots can be used to automate the assembly of custom components, improving the overall production process and ensuring the quality of the finished product. This is particularly important in the case of electric vehicles, which often require custom-made components and systems. In conclusion, the potential for robots to enhance the customization and personalization of cars is significant. By using robotics, car manufacturers can offer a wider range of customization options, streamline the customization process, and automate the assembly of custom components. As the demand for personalized vehicles continues to grow, the role of robots in car customization is likely to become increasingly important. Thank you for watching our video on the potential for robots to enhance the customization and personalization of cars. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest technological advancements in the automotive industry.